Stephen Avenue Walk, a vibrant pedestrian mall in downtown Calgary, offers a unique blend of history, culture, shopping, and dining. Named after George Stephen, the first president of the Canadian Pacific Railway, this iconic street spans 8th Avenue Southwest between 4th Street Southwest and 1st Street Southeast. Summer months offer vibrant streetlight, patio dining, and various festivals. Today, we will be walking down Stephen Avenue at night. Designated a National Historic Site of Canada in 2002, Stephen Avenue is renowned for its collection of late 19th and early 20th century sandstone buildings. These structures, built after 1886 and the fire that destroyed much of Calgary, showcase the city's resilience and architectural heritage. Notably, the landmarks include the old Hudson's Bay Company department store, the Palace Theatre, one of Calgary's oldest surviving movie theaters. Stephen Avenue is a shopper's paradise, featuring major retail centers like the Core Shopping Centre, Bankers Hall, and Stephen Avenue Place. The area boasts a diverse range of boutiques, high-end retailers, and department stores. Culinary enthusiasts can indulge in a variety of restaurants, cafés, pubs, and bars that line this street. For those staying or visiting downtown Calgary, it is an interesting place to roam both in the day and during the night. For those visiting at night, however, the area does have a homeless element, and some people are doing drugs. So please be aware of your surroundings at all times. Let's continue our walk, and we will point out some interesting sights as we go along. Thank you for joining me today on our walk. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos of Calgary and Alberta, consider subscribing to our channel. Again, thank you and take care.